In this part of the 1k to 10k series, I won't be showing our portfolio as nothing significant has changed since the last update. Instead, I will be talking about airdrops. If you are totally new to airdrops, don't worry, I will briefly explain everything you need to know, and I will also show you many free airdrop opportunities. If you are new here and interested in our crypto investing journey where we attempt to turn a $1,000 account into 10,000, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Hello everyone and welcome to the brand new TradeSmart Crypto Journey YouTube channel. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Let's talk about airdrops. If you are not familiar with airdrops in most cases are essentially free money or more accurately free tokens. Developers distribute these tokens directly into digital wallets of users, often for free or as a reward for small tasks. But why do they do this? The reasons vary, including promoting a new cryptocurrency, increasing the circulating supply, or rewarding the loyal customers. Airdrops serve as an excellent marketing tool, creating buzz and encouraging widespread adoption of new tokens. So, how do airdrops work? Participating in an airdrop might seem confusing at first, but it's actually quite simple and requires minimal time. Typically, you need a cryptocurrency wallet compatible with the airdrop token. The best ones are MetaMask or Phantom, as those two are good for probably 90% of airdrops. So first create a wallet if you haven't already. Make sure you store your 12 or 24 word wallet key in a secure place, as if you lose those, you can lose all of your crypto. Also, make sure you never share your 12-word key on any website or with anyone. If an airdrop website asks you for your 12-word wallet key, it is a scam and they just want to take your crypto. Airdrops come in various forms. Standard airdrops require you to sign up, but ask for minimal information. Bounty airdrops involve completing tasks, and holder airdrops reward you based on the amount of certain cryptocurrency you already own. Each type has its unique benefits and requirements. The type of airdrops you want to participate in is highly depends on your amount you want to invest in. If you're a hardcore airdrop farmer and have thousands of dollars to spend, you should be looking for holder airdrops that require staking, bridging, and swapping. Most of the time you will need to lock your tokens for a specific period, and then you will receive the airdrop based on your locked token amount. But if you are like me, who rather invest money into currently operating crypto projects, you're probably better off with free, standard or bounty airdrop opportunities. These kinds of airdrops will usually get you smaller rewards, but it's free and it requires no investment except a few minutes of your time each day. Free airdrops usually require to connect your wallet, your Twitter account and join their Discord and Telegram. You usually earn points by interacting with the project's Twitter posts, like liking, retweeting, and commenting. Also, many free airdrop sites reward users for daily sign-ins. Now let me show you a few of these free airdrops I am currently farming. I will leave referral links to all of these airdrops and even more in the description. Once you have your MetaMask or Phantom wallet, prepare your wallet ensuring it supports the token being airdropped. Then follow the specific participation requirements for the airdrop, and if you've done everything right, you will receive your airdrop. Let's start off with the simplest one, Mon Protocol. After visiting the site, you just have to sign up with your email for the waitlist and you are all done. You can find the link in the description. Moving on, the next one is Well3. Well3 is a project that aims to combine wellness and mindfulness with NFT generation and crypto. If you visit the website, after connecting your wallet, you can start farming experience points by completing simple tasks. There are 3 main tasks currently that you can do daily. The first is a simple breeding session guided by Well3 which takes around 30 seconds and earns you 1000 XP points. The second is to do a Twitter post and tag Well3 and the hashtags listed down below. The third way, and probably the most unique one, is to generate a wellness-themed NFT, which works basically like a simple AI image generation tool. You add a brief description of the image you want to create and choose the tags you like, then you click on Mint. To complete the minting, you will need to have a minimal amount of BNB on your BNB mainnet. The minting itself costs basically nothing. You can also do many other free tasks to increase your airdrop chances. As you can see, I did a lot already. Next up, we have Mon Protocol. Here again, just connect your wallet, then you will have one free spin each day, which will earn you a random number of points. You can also do a retweet task and follow Twitter accounts to earn more points. Again, links to this and all the other airdrops are in the description. Finally, let's see one more, which is Supra. This one is slightly different, as to get the airdrop you need to do a KYC, which is basically uploading your ID or passport to verify your identity. I know many of you are not okay with sharing your documents online, which is absolutely okay. So only do this step if you did your own research and you are okay with doing the KYC. In my opinion, as this step is required for the airdrop and can only be done once per person, this will give you a fair share of the tokens. While airdrops can be a great way to earn free money, it's crucial to proceed with caution. Always do your own research to avoid scams and never share your private keys. Make sure not to use your main MetaMask wallet for airdrops. Create a separate MetaMask wallet so you won't lose your main crypto portfolio if you accidentally run into a scam. And remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So to summarize, to maximize your free airdrops, have a MetaMask or Phantom wallet, a Discord, a Telegram and a Twitter account. Make sure to sign in daily to receive extra points, complete all the simple tasks and do it consistently. 10 minutes per day is enough to farm like 5 airdrops. There are many other free airdrops I won't go over right now as they require basically the same tasks. I will link them down in the description. If you want to find more airdrops, there is a great website called AIRDROPS.io where you can find free airdrops and they give you a detailed guide on how to get the airdrop. Besides that, getting into a Discord server like our Smart Investor Discord is another good place to find airdrops. Whenever I find a new one, I am posting it to Discord. So if you want to follow us on the 1k to 10k challenge and see my live trades or extensive 300 coin crypto research spreadsheet and more free airdrop opportunities, check out our Patreon and become a Smart Investor or Smart Trader tier member. You can watch the previous episodes of the 1k to 10k challenge here, or if you are interested in probably our best strategy so far, which made over 150% profit last month, check out this video. As always, thank you all for watching. If you want to see more content like this, drop a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, trade smart!